Alright guys, so I actually recorded this one time before, but I deleted all the footage by accident, so I'm doing it again. So here's my truck, as you could probably already tell, but let's take a look at all this damage right here. You see that got pushed back right down in there. That's not supposed to be like that. And this got all broke out. You see how messed up that is. I hit a deer a couple days ago. There's still a little bit of hair. It hit the front of this cab. You see where there's some black on that. That's actually dried blood and bits of hair and whatnot. And then it hit here, broke all that out, and kind of bounced down the side. My battery box is right there, so they're fine. But this panel right here has to get replaced. They ordered a new one already. And then the other thing was, I got some new tires. Actually had like a whole video of them putting these on and just kind of talking about my old ones, tread depth, winter driving, whatnot. You know, these are actually better than what was on my truck, but they were like 30 seconds, 30 seconds. So they were down there. I got plenty of tread on these. As you can see, the label hasn't even got rubbed off yet. And they're virgin tires. They're not recaps. So Bridgestones, these should ride really quite nice. I think my last set were Bridgestones. Yeah, they were. They were the M710s. These are M726. So slightly different model, but I'll see how these ride. And you can see I got a full set, all 8 tires. Kind of happy to get new tires. My last set started to pick up a lot of metal. I had a lot of chunks missing out of them, just a lot of stuff. And then I got 2 really good front steers. I can't do my pre-trip right here because the kind of parking here is a little on the tight side, so I'll do my motor pre-trip here in a minute. Gonna get this moved out of the way. Anyway, I gotta get going. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I really need to make sure I don't delete video footage, or footage I don't want to delete. That was a sheer mistake. Anyway, yeah, new tires, and my truck's dirty, really dirty.